Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use OPENART AI avatar. By the end, you'll know how to create a reusable character that you can bring back for different images, scenes, poses, and creative projects. Start by opening your browser and heading to the OPENART Suite homepage. On the left sidebar, select Character. This is the workspace where you'll create, organize, and manage your avatars. You'll see options to begin from an existing image or to build a new character. Starting from an image is great if you already have a photo or concept you want to match. For this walkthrough, we'll build from scratch by describing the character. This is helpful when you have a clear idea in your head, but don't already have a reference image ready. Choose Describe Your Character to open the prompt field. In the prompt, clearly outline who you want. Include traits like age range, hairstyle, clothing, pose, mood, and any defining details. Add scene or lighting cues if you care about the overall vibe, such as soft studio lighting, dramatic shadows, or outdoor sunset. The more specific and visual your words are, the more consistent your results will be. Keep sentences simple and use commas to separate attributes so the AI can parse your ideas cleanly. For example, you could describe a friendly tech creator, casual hoodie, neat hairstyle, confident smile, soft studio lighting, and clean background. Next, choose the model. Each model interprets prompts a little differently, so think of this as selecting the creative engine behind your avatar. If you have a desired look in mind, pick a model known for that style. If you're unsure, start with a general purpose option and refine from there. This gives you a flexible first result before you move into a more specific visual style. Select your style, such as photorealistic, anime, or another artistic direction. Photorealistic is best for lifelike avatars and professional headshots, while anime works well for stylized characters with bold shapes and expressive features. Choose the aesthetic that matches your use case. For example, use photorealistic for profile images, brand visuals, or presenter-style characters. And use anime or stylized looks for storytelling, thumbnails, gaming content, or fictional characters. Decide how many images you want to generate. More variations give you a wider range to choose from, but they'll take a bit longer. If you're exploring, start with a handful of outputs. If you're chasing a very specific look, generating more can help. A good approach is to generate a few first, choose the closest one, and then refine from there, instead of trying to get everything perfect in one attempt. Click Generate and let the system process your request. When the results appear, scan for accuracy in facial features, proportions, and details you mentioned. If one stands out, select it and choose Set as Character. Look for the image that best captures the identity, not just the most polished image, because this will become the base for future generations. Give your character a clear, memorable name. You can also add a background story, which is optional, but helpful for consistency. Briefly note personality, role, or backstory, so future generations stay on theme. For example, you might write that the character is a calm travel guide, a confident business coach, or a playful gaming host. Finally, click Create. Your avatar is now saved to your character library, ready to reuse across scenes, poses, and prompts. If you want to iterate later, return to Character, adjust your prompt, style, or model, and generate new variations while keeping the same core identity. This makes it easier to build consistent content instead of starting from zero every time. That's all you need to confidently use OPENART AI avatar from start to finish. Once your avatar is saved, you can use it for profile images, story visuals, social media content, concept art, thumbnails, and any project where character consistency matters.